Hi everyone. So I recently just moved into a new house and I decorated a lot of it with Amazon products, of course, because I'm obsessed with Amazon and I have so much to show you and really interested in adding more lighting to my house. And I was really intrigued by all these battery operated, rechargeable scones and lightings. It was super easy. I just ordered them off Amazon. Some came that day and I installed them myself and they were up that day versus hiring an electrician and running electricity. So let me show you the 3 different ones that I got. Closer look at all 3 of them and what I like about them and which one is my favorite. So right when you walk into my house, this is a little sitting area in the front of the house. I got this artwork from Amazon as well and with these pillows, but I digress. But I wanted to get something that filled up the majority of the wall and added light as well. So I thought these sconces for this space would do that perfectly. So as you can see, this is a close-up of one of the sconces. They do each come with a light bulb that is rechargeable. And they each come with a remote as well, but one remote can control both of them. So that turns them on, and then there's different temperatures. So you could have it more of a warm light or a cold light. And then also you could adjust the brightness. And then also you could set a timer. So there's a 1, 2, 4, and 8 hour timer. And then also you could change them to different RGB colors. But there's actually a light bulb that it screws into the lamp like a regular light bulb. And that is what the USB-C, here, I'll just grab it. All right, so it's actually just this light bulb. It's a regular light bulb base, and this is where you recharge it. It's the power button. So it's actually this light bulb that you recharge. It's not the actual sconces themselves. You can see what they look like on, and I just think that they add a lot of elegance. They're super easy to hang. No electricity is needed. That's what they look like, and I think they are great for our space. And next, I am going to show you these wall sconces. But moving into the dining room area, these are a pair of another brand and different kind of sconces that I got for my dining room. And these ones I really like. Let me show you them. These ones I put above my artwork, but you could hang them all different ways. Actually, these little bars come off and you could mount them horizontally if you wanted to, and then swivel. So if you needed them on the side of an artwork or whatever, you could do that. But right here is a little magnet, and this is a magnet, and they just click right into the holder. But I like that this is magnetic and you just remove them because it makes them easy to charge. Then there's this little button here. So there's a power button, and it's just, you tap it to turn it on. And this is the different brightnesses or different color temperatures. They're charged via USB-C as well. And you just plug it in right there. Again, these were super easy to hang. No need for wiring or anything like that. And they're nice and bright too. And they really, when it's dark, light up my artwork. And coming into the master bedroom, these are the last sconces that I got for the new house. And I wanted something above the master bed wall. So let me show you these closer. These you could put horizontal or vertically. I chose to put them vertically. They come with a remote. There's also a button on the bottom of them that you could turn them on. And then to recharge these, there's a USB-C port right there. So like I showed you, you can turn them on with the button or shut them off, which is nice. So you don't have to have the remote, but each one did come with a remote. And I just have the one. So I'll show you. You could turn it on or off. You could increase the brightness or dim it. And then there's quick buttons too. You could put it to 10%, 100%, 50%, and then on and off. So there's only one color and you could dim it. So it's not multiple colors like some of the other ones that I showed you. But for what I needed them, I would not be using them in my master bedroom for RGB lights or colorful lights. So for what I need them for, I love the aesthetic of them. So these are what they look like up close, and they're another great way to add lighting and just elevate your space. And between all of the 3 battery powered sconces that I received from Amazon, I love all of them. They're all different. And if you're looking for an easy way to add some light and some elegance to your space, I would highly recommend any or all 3 of them.